Hi, my name is Travis Huggins for Anatomy and Physiology. We're going to look at just right now, just the location of 6 of the appendicular muscles. So to start, we're going to get a 2-for-1 with the bicep brachii, and there's 2. So the first one that is more lateral is right here, and that's the long head. And then more medial to that is the short head. So again, that's the bicep brachii. After that, we have the abductor pollicis brevis, which is the fat, I consider it the fat part of the thumb. It's down at the base of the thumb. It's this muscle right here. And then on the opposite side, more medial to that, is the palmaris brevis. So it's just right here, right above the wrist. Next, we're going to move down to the quadriceps. So first off, just dead center middle is the Rectus Femoris. So that's the middle, and then it's right here. And then lateral to that, we have the Vastus Lateralis, which is the largest of the quadricep muscles, and it's right down through here.